So I guess you're here because I'm trying out the voice and choice for my reader's workshop. So it's just like, a lot of you probably already do the centers, which is what I was doing too. And so the twist with that is you just kind of, so I did that at the beginning of the year where I have it up on the board where they know on this day they're going to go to this one and then this one. But then I think I started at the end of October maybe. We sat down and we pulled in the word navigator and talked about like what does it mean to be a navigator. And I said, well, I think you guys are ready now to navigate your own learning. So I said, how about in Reader's Workshop, how could you show me, like, how could you grow your brain during Reader's Workshop? What are all the ways that we've learned? So the voice over here is kind of the what they're doing. And over here is kind of how they're doing it, the choice. That's kind of what we came up with. I don't know if I was right, but so like Raz Kids, big books, and listening to a book, a listening station, a browsing box, which is in their cubby, the little baskets. Those are all of the guided reading books that we read, and then they keep them throughout the year so they can go back. A library book, word study, sight words, and phonics. And then the choices, we do the flexible seating so they can do these activities on a rug, in a basket, at a table. They can do it in a buddy, and they do pretty good. I don't really have to tell them who they should and shouldn't work with. Some of them actually surprise me that want to work independent a lot, so I wouldn't have known that if I didn't take them out of those groups before. So they can choose to work on the floor independently or on the chair or stool. And then, so we did it the first week, and they were pretty excited, so I knew it was going to go well at first because they're pretty motivated. And after the first week of trying it, I realized some of them would benefit from like kind of having a little schedule for themselves. So I'll pass this. You guys can keep these because I have them. And what they do is they just kind of track what they go through that week. And it's kind of cool because some of them realized at the end of the week, I don't know if I have enough, but you can just look at each other's. Some of them realized, oh, I get on the computer every single day because they see the big line. So then they change, hopefully. That's the goal. It's been going pretty well. There's some days where I'm like, why am I doing this? But most of the days aren't like that. And I don't know, what kind of questions do you guys have? If any.
I like your tracking sheet.
Oh, thanks.
It's a good way to build awareness of
the
choices they're making. It lets you see what they're doing.
Yeah, that too. Keeps them accountable. And something else we did on the back of this, we just started too. On the back, they will think of a goal on Monday that they want just for Reader's Workshop. And those are pretty good too. Some of them will write, I want to work quieter. Some of them will write, I want to go to at least 3 different things a day. So, and then Friday, hopefully we have time to sit down and then we talk about like if they met their goal. I'm hoping maybe in the future I have a way to track it, but right now it's just kind of informal talking about it. So there's some like maybe I'll have to talk to them one-on-one and say, I haven't really seen you do much today. What exactly are you working on? And usually that one-on-one conversation will kind of change what's going on. Do it all by themselves while I'm doing my guided reading groups, and I don't have to. It's really nice. I've had a lot of less redirection. I don't have to look up and see so-and-so's not in their group doing the station that they're supposed to do. And some of them, especially like my higher readers, might choose to, I do have them read for the first 20 minutes at least, and then after that 20 minutes they can go off and make a choice, or some of them will sit there and read for the whole hour block. So it's pretty cool.